In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to take a photo, of course, on BeReal application. First of all, if you don't have BeReal application in your phone, you would like to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then, you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you do have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my BeReal application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So here, after launching my BeReal application, that will actually be my home screen. And of course, if you didn't post yet, you will have this option ready, which is post a BeReal. Of course, if you already post this day, because you have one post per day, that means you can now actually add a post another time. So if you want to post a BeReal, or if you want to take a photo, all you need to do, just go and click at post BeReal. And as you can see here, of course, you can turn on your location. And if you don't want to, just go and hit the no thanks. So as you can see here, I have here the option of taking a photo. Of course, so let me just click and take the photo. So, and here they will ask you actually to take a selfie as well. So that's actually the concept of BeReal, is taking two pictures at the same time, which is the picture of the front camera and the back camera of your phone. So here, if you want to post it, or if that's how actually you take a photo, if you want to post it, you can just click on the send here and choose here what you want. You can send it, of course, in your friends only, everyone. You can, of course, share your position, or you can save my BeReal on this device. And if you want to post it, you would like to go and click at the flash icon at the bottom right corner, and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.